Hello, this is my room in Brak Homestay in Probolinggo. I'm staying here for 3 nights because the train tickets to Malang are sold out. So I'm basically stuck here for a couple more days. There's not really much to do in this city, so I'm gonna be farting around watching TV and maybe writing, who knows. So this is my room. It's a private with a double bed. So to the right of the door we have a sink and the mirror, of course. And here's the bed. And then we have a shelf, 2 towels, 2 free water bottles. The owner brought me a cup of tea, very nice. And there's a TV on the wall. This room has air conditioning, which you can probably hear. It seems to be working really well. And the bathroom is here. And it is a combination shower toilet, as is typical. It also smells a little bit, but that's also kind of typical, especially because I think that window doesn't open. So it's a little stinky, but you can see that it comes with some amenities right there. So at least that's good, including toilet paper, looks like. Yeah, toilet paper. There's the grate, or what is it called? The drain. Not sure what those are, probably shampoo and body wash. And there's some hooks up there. It's a waterfall shower head. Okay, and then back out. Yeah, so that's pretty basic. There's also a little chair out there that you can sit on. That's the owner's car. Actually, I don't see any hand soap, so it's good that I brought my soap from the last place, the ones that the rats didn't eat. And yeah, it's just a little basic room. This was about, I think, $12 a night, but I'm hoping it'll be a little bit quieter. It's near a main street. You can maybe hear cars, but I'm hoping the mosques are further away from my room than in the last room, and maybe there's only one that's going to sound off at 4 a.m. instead of 3. That would be good. And there's also a lot more restaurants that I can walk to from here, including a couple of restaurants that I actually ordered from when I was in the other place. The Domino's that I ordered from is here, and a local chicken fast food place is like right next door. There's also a Pizza Hut and like some other places. The Warongs, it doesn't seem like there's as many like local restaurant places that have high reviews. I don't know if they just don't get reviewed. Here I am again, hi. I just don't know if they're just not reviewed on Google Maps for whatever reason, or people just don't eat there, or I don't know what's going on. But there is a breakfast place that has good reviews, so I can go there for breakfast at least. This place doesn't have breakfast, but I can get coffee or tea for free. And yeah, so bye.